Let's compare some decimals, and we want to know which of these two numbers is bigger. We've got two numbers that both have 4 digits after the decimal place. So we need to pop them in a place value table that actually goes out to tens of thousands. That's 4 places to the right of our decimal point. If we put the first number in, you'll see we've got no units, 2 tenths, 4 hundredths, 3 thousandths, and 8 tens of thousands. Our other number has 0 units, 2 tenths, 9 hundredths, 1 thousandth, and 2 tens of thousands. So when we come to compare, we always start from the left when we're working with decimals, because the places to the left are worth more. Units are worth more than tenths, tenths are worth more than hundreds, and so on. So you can see here they've both got a 0 in the units place. So we continue to move right, and they're the same here in the tenths place until they're different. Now they are different here. You can actually see 9 is bigger than 4. So we've found our difference. We don't actually need to go on anymore. So this number is bigger than the other number. 2,912 tens of thousands is bigger than 2,438 tens of thousands. You could also write it like this, with the greater than sign. The large part of the greater than sign faces the big number, and the small pointy end faces the small number. But don't be deceived by the next one. If you have a look at this, you might say, oh, this one's easy, because I've got 39 of something and 1,814 of something. Aha, don't fall for that though. What we need to do is think about what those digits and those values represent. That looks bigger, but it may not be, just because it has more digits. So let's pop them in our place value table. You can see we've got 0.39, 3 tenths and 9 hundredths. The other number has 0 in the units place, 1 of the tenths, 8 of the hundredths, 1 thousandth, and 4 of the tens of thousands. But the thing is, those extra digits, they're not worth much. So we need to go back to our rule where we always start from the left when we're working with decimals. They both have no units, but the top number has 3 tenths, and that's actually bigger than 1 tenth. So anything after that won't change anything. So this number is actually larger, 0.39. 0.39 is the same as 39 hundredths, and that's actually bigger than 1,814 tens of thousands. And it's all because there's a 3 in the tenths place compared to a 1 in the tenths place. So don't forget, check the place value, not the number of digits a number has.